Okay, so I set up my slide already to easily be able to multiply m minus 3 times 3m plus 1. So on the bottom, so our generic rectangle, we could make this, but remember, we can write the dimensions along the bottom. So I'm going to write m and then minus 3 here. This is the same as m plus negative 3. And then along the side, I'm going to write my 3m and plus 5. And remember when we were building these, I liked to put the x squared or the m squares in the corner here. And that's why that really leads nicely into the generic rectangle. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3m times m, because the area of this rectangle, this dimension is 3m and this is m. Well, 3m times m, we learned with our exponent rules, is going to be 3m squared. And then I'm going to take 5 times m, and that's the same as 5m. And if we were building this, I would have my m tiles or my x tiles up here. And then for the top, I'm going to take 5 times negative 3, which is negative 15. And 3m times negative 3 is negative 9m. Okay. So now that I have this, it's a quicker, I could have built it with tiles if I had m tiles, but it's quicker just to multiply and find the area of each one of those little spaces. Then if I want the area of the whole thing, I have to add all those things together, and that's the area as a sum. So the 3m squared, I don't have any other m squared, so I'm going to have 3m squared. I cannot combine that with anything else. But I can combine this 5m and this negative 9m. It's like having x tiles. They have the same, they're the same bases. So I have 5 of them and I have negative 9 of them. So that's the same as negative 4. I like to put pluses, so plus negative 4m. And then just the negative 15, I can't combine that with anything, so can't simplify it, so plus negative 15. Now notice I put pluses in between in the negative. With this m minus 3, I could have written it as m plus negative 3, which maybe helps me to write my dimensions. So writing the areas of product, I was given the areas of product, so I just have to rewrite that. I have m, and you can do plus negative 3 or minus 3, just because it's kind of hard to write with this tool. I'm going to keep it like so. Okay. And is being multiplied by 3m plus 5. So I was given the area as a product, so I'm just rewriting that. I had to find the area of this as a sum. Okay. All right.